You know what? If you're going to ride a motorcycle, ladies, please stop wearing leggings. You know, they tear up like toilet paper whenever someone crashes. Watch some videos about safety, about motorcycle safety. Please, come on. Wear denims. That's the guideline. Wear denims, not something else. Other types of cloth won't protect our skin if the motorcycle crashes. Trust me, I know. I have worn dry fit on one long motorcycle ride, and it failed when I crashed because I was tired. Come on, wear denims.